Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having an excellent day. So I've had a lot of questions recently about the Russell Klein partials. A lot of times I like to just answer these questions in the Russell Klein group because it's a place where a lot of that stuff stays. So if I do a live stream or something in there, it's something that people can reference later on. But I decided, since I have been getting a lot of questions here on YouTube, that I would kind of just give a little information. So Russell makes two different types of partials. So he makes the standard acrylic partial. The difference is that this has the metal clasp. And of course, it is made with standard acrylic material. So if someone is allergic to monomer, things like that, you might want to think twice about getting the standard acrylic, or if you have a metal allergy. The only thing that is different really with this is that you have to think about those metal clasps. And those can, of course they can break off and stuff like that, but Russell really does make them very well. It is standard. So, you have to think about the standard of a partial, of an acrylic partial. But he also makes the flexible partials, which is the Carradine partial. And I don't know if you can tell, but these little clasps here, they are giving. So you can see they do flex a little bit. So Carradine is actually made to last longer than standard acrylic. It is pretty hypoallergenic, BPA free. It's a nylon flexible, which is pretty nice. So it's durable and it's strong. You can kind of hear it. It's strong, but it's still flexible and comfortable. It doesn't have the metal clasps on it to kind of dig into your gums or break or anything like that. The points here, they go around your teeth. They're actually super soft and comfortable. They're very, very well made. This is an upgrade to a standard partial. So if you have allergies and things like that, this might be a better upgrade for you because you don't have to worry about the metal. If you have a metal allergy, you don't have to worry about the monomer if you have a chemical allergy and things like that. So the cool part about the Carradine is that it's injected, which means that you get a better fit. So as we all know, with dentures and partials, we want the best fit possible. So the cool part about this is that when they're injected, you get a better fit. That means less adjustments and a more snug fit in your mouth. So with this, it's really funny because I've had people ask if it's okay to do soft relines on this type of material. I've done some product testing on them, and the only one that I've found that actually really sticks to this stuff is the Realignment kit. Now that one doesn't have a primer that comes with it. It's just two chemicals that you mix together and it forms a soft liquid, and it's kind of a rubbery material. Again, if you're allergic to monomer, that's something that you might want to think about using those relines because it really is it does contain the chemicals that people are allergic to. So, but you shouldn't really need a soft reliner with this type of material because it's meant to fit so well. You really, the thing with reliners is that it really hides, kind of covers up the culprits for ill-fitting dentures. And so they're supposed to be for a temporary relief. You could take it to your dentist, and if you felt that you really needed one, they could help you with a permanent one or something like that from their office. But with it being the Carradine, they are meant to fit extremely well. You shouldn't need anything with these. If you do a small amount of adhesive, you could put that in here and it would do fantastic. But with the Carradine, you really don't need those soft reliners because they're made to fit so well. With the acrylic, of course, you could do the same thing. There is definitely room in here to use adhesive if you need to. Soft reliner wouldn't really fit in these. I mean, you could try if you needed some cushion, but there's a lot of adhesives out there that give that cushion to where you wouldn't even need to do a soft liner or anything like that. So I know a lot of people use them just for comfort. There is a lot of adhesives out there that serve that purpose as comfort, that aren't something that you have to adhere to your denture on a semi-permanent or temporary basis. So these are really great. You do see the metal clasps on there. It is very well made. Very, very well made. And then the upgrade, as you can tell, it does have flex to it. So it's strong, it's durable, it's semi-rigid, which means that it's less likely to break and crack. It will last longer. Just because they last longer doesn't mean that you shouldn't get them checked by dentists every 5 to 7 years. So you really should be being checked yearly by your dentist. Make sure your gums are healthy and things like that. But also, you know, it is a good thing to make sure that your dentures fit you properly, or that your partial fits you properly. So sometimes that is cause for adjustment. But these are very well made. It does come in 4 different shades: a bleached, A1, A2, and A3. And then this Carradine, you can look it up. You can Google search Carradine with a K, and you can find a lot of information about it. It is a pretty amazing substance. So definitely look it up, check it out. Russell does offer this. It's not something that everybody offers, so it is pretty neat that he has that skill and technology. So again, here is your partial, 2 different ones. You can get them for the upper and the lower. And he does do these in conjunction with, you know, if you need a full upper denture and a partial on the bottom, or vice versa, or whatever it is, he will work with you on this kind of stuff. So definitely give him and send him an email, and he will be able to give you all the information for them. But here they are. Thought I would just help you guys out since I've had so many questions about them. So standard, metal clasps, upgrade, no metal clasps. Anyway, I hope you guys have a really great day, and I will see you later.